I have purchased just a few church benches, and Ebert and I are going to be taking them apart. I've got 16 10-footers and 2 8-footers. Okay, I don't know how many years. I think it's been maybe 8 or 10 since this church burned, but this stuff's all been in storage, and I was lucky to get it. I was happy to recycle it because the man that had it said they were just going to burn it. I bet the kids sit behind this pew. There's one of them's name.
There's one without the back on it,
Yeah.
and the foot on it.
Yeah, that's not bad stuff. It's pretty thick. It's 2 inch. This is really what I was looking at. Is this? If you'll look down that board, you see any knots? So I don't know how old these are. That ought to give you an idea. Look at them old screws. I took some of those out, but it is tug and groove, and that's what I was tickled about. Is I'll be able to use this on some stuff in the walls in my bedrooms, as you can see. But ooh, gotta do some nail pulling. I'm gonna give Bert a penny a nail. There's the one there's got some bark showing, Bert. Yep. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
That's something. Still no knots. You know, that's what gets me. Now these end pieces do, so I don't know. Someone had painted that one, but it's got some smoke damage, but not anything else. Yeah, there's the original nails that were put in the bottoms. Might make some pretty tables.